Hey guys, Brad here. Today we're going to be taking a look at Camo's Marksman Pro NB. NB stands for narrow board. Now this tool is used primarily for installing deck boards. This is a piece of Ipe wood. I used the Camo to install this decking. These tools are really great. This tool here will go from 3.5 inches up to a 5-inch board width. They give you a 3/16 gap that's in between each board, which is pretty standard. So if you buy clip systems, they'll give you a 3/16 gap as well. So it's right on par with all the other systems out there. The way it works is it's got this lever right here that you pull and it moves this whole front nose ahead. Now that's how you get the system on the board and off the board. So you're not having to like push it on and potentially scratch the board. So you just open it up, put it down, and clip it in place. Now if you want to go to a larger board, there's a adjustment screw right here. You can just turn this like so, and then you can adjust this back just like this. It slides back and forth. So then you can go up to a 5-inch board. We're just going to do it on a 3-inch board, and sometimes you have to play with it to get it in place. So I've got it set at 3.5 inches right now. Now with Ipe wood, you have to pre-drill. So what you want to do is get a 3/16 bit and you pre-drill these holes here and here. You then drop your screws in, and these are stainless steel, just like that. And then that's how you screw them in. This is the bit that comes with it. You'll drive the screws in and it'll automatically bottom out. When you're done, you end up with little tiny holes right on the side here. That's where your screw head will be. So it's extremely hidden, gives you an overall really nice look for your deck. I prefer to use the Camo system over screwing directly above. With the Ipe wood, you usually want to put plugs, so that ends up being a lot of plugs. So this system allows you to go from the side, which is really great. Now you can also use this Camo system on all other types of wood, from cedar to composites. Just make sure you check with the manufacturer of that decking board that they will cover this system under their warranty. Another thing you need to make sure of is you're using the appropriate screws. They have two types. They have coated and they have stainless. When you're using hardwoods, you have to use stainless screws. When you're using composites, you can use their coated screw. For me, using this system was a definite step up from a clip system I was using with my Ipe wood. I found it gave me a cleaner look, and overall the client was extremely happy with the end results. I love the Camo system. I think it really does speed up your job and provides you with a really nice finished product. All right guys, hope you liked the video. Keep on crushing it. We'll catch you later.